Hello, children. How are you all? You are from grade 4. I'm your English teacher. Today, we are going to learn lesson 3. The topic is the most important day. THE the MOST most IMPORTANT important DAY day. So this lesson teaches us very good lesson. Okay, children. So we are going to learn we are going to see very inspiring person in this story. Let us go into the lesson to learn the important thing. Okay, children. Can we close our eyes and we can walk for a day, children? Yes, all through the day. Yes, we cannot, isn't it? It is very difficulty, isn't it? So, with all these difficulties, here is a girl. Her name is Helen Keller. Helen Helen. Keller, Helen Keller. So, here is a girl. She was leading successful life. Let us see how she succeed in her life and what are all the difficulties she was faced. Okay, children. So let us go into the story. In the year of 1880, okay children, in the year of 1880, it was the summer season. A healthy baby girl was born. Okay, the healthy girl was born in a small town in Alabama. The city name is what? Small town name is what? Alabama. Alabama, Alabama. Okay children. So after the childbirth, every parents will feel happy, isn't it children? After seeing you, our parents are very happy to see you, isn't it? The same way her parents also were very happy, and they loved her daughter, they loved their daughter very much. Okay, so they named her as Helen Keller. Helen Keller. Okay, Helen Keller. Okay, children. So, but one day the baby became ill. Okay, ill means what? She was sick. Okay, so day by day, every day she got high fever. The fever, she cannot recover from that. Okay, children. Day by day, she became very ill. They could not do anything for their daughter. So everyone in the family tried to help her to get better, but they cannot do anything. Day by day she became very ill, so all the family members, others, all trying very much their level best, but they do not do anything. So there is, everybody is saying that there is nothing more we can do. The baby may not live. That means what? She may be die. So everybody are crying. So after that what happened? But Helen lived. Okay, after even she got sick, even she is sick also, Helen lived for long days. But she was not the same after her illness. Okay, after the illness, after the sick, after that fever, she was not the same. Okay, children, before the fever, before the sickness, she was good. But after that illness, she was not good. That means something that is very wrong. That means what? There is a change in that girl. Okay, so mother is noticing her child, there is some change in that child. So at last they found, in the month of 19 month, when she was 19 months old, they found out that what was wrong. So they found that the child could not see or hear. Is that clear for you children? In the month of 19 months, when she was 19 months old, they found that the child cannot see. The child cannot see and the child cannot hear. She was disabled person. Is that clear for you children? She was disabled person. So after that they were what? They felt very sorry for that girl, and also the baby grow into a little girl. She was growing day by day, she was growing, isn't it? Yes. So they are very very much worried. They cannot do anything happily because the child cannot see, the child cannot hear. How would be children? It is very difficult. No, we cannot see such child. But even then they loved their children very much. Helen Keller parents are loving their loving their children very much. Okay, so they are showing love, and whatever she likes they will get for her. So everything going on not well, but okay. Okay children. Helen often she will cry, children. Every day she will cry, and always she will be with her mother. But even though she cannot see or hear, she was a bright little girl. Okay, children, she became little girl like this. Okay, so she was a bright little girl. Some people, those who are there are some relatives, isn't it? So they are saying that they are thinking that they thought that Helen could not learn anything. She is, even though she is a bright girl, her mother knows she is very bright girl, but the relations, they doesn't know anything about her. So they are saying that why don't you send her away from somewhere. That means what? Why don't you send her to hostel? That means what? Disabled person, there will be some hostels, isn't it? So why don't you send there? So but Helen Keller's parents are not accepting their words, because their children are very special to them, isn't it, children? So her mother did not agree anything. The Helen Keller was very smart. She said, and also she is saying that, and the problem is, how can we reach her? We could not reach her, isn't it? Because the Helen Keller could not see, and he could not hear anything, isn't it? So we cannot communicate with that little girl, isn't it? If we want to say anything, she should understand, isn't it? So because she cannot see, see also, she cannot hear also, then how can we reach, isn't it? So every time she is locked up inside herself, she will go inside the room and she will lock the door. And day by day after that, she began to grow wild. She became behaved like a she behaved differently. She would not let anyone comb her hair. Nobody can come and see the Helen Keller, because she never allow anybody to come near to her. Her comb, there was she never allow anybody to comb her hair. Her clothes were very dirty always. She never changed the clothes also. She never bath, and often she is angry. Okay, so always she will lay on the floor and kicked her feet, everything. The wild things are going on, okay, children, from the Helen Keller. So it is not good to see like that, isn't it, children? So it is very feeling very sad. Their parents are feeling very sad. So they decided to have a teacher, to find a teacher for her. If the teacher is there, if she teaches something, and if she teaches what good to, if there is a person to love her, is very good. So they want her a good teacher. The teacher should also be very kind and lovable, isn't it? They also she also must know about the children, about the she cannot hear or see, isn't it? So the same way, the teacher also should know about something, isn't it? So they found a teacher called Miss Sullivan. Okay, children, see this picture, children. Helen Keller is with her teacher, isn't it? Yes. So her name is Sullivan, Miss Sullivan. Sullivan, Sullivan. Okay, children. She is very young teacher. She when Helen Keller's parents asked her to come, and she also accepted. Okay, children. Miss Sullivan also accepted to come and teach Helen. Okay, children. So she agreed to help Helen to learn to see the world. So she is very strict, but then she is very kind also. So she came to see Helen, and while coming, she was coming with the doll. Okay, children. So she was teaching to spell doll. Miss Sullivan spelled the word with her fingers into Helen's hand. Okay, children. So she made the letters with special hand signs. There is some special hand signs, symbols. Signs means what? There is some actions are there to understand. Okay, children. So Helen copied her teacher, what the teacher is saying, and also she is spelling the what the teacher says, doll. So she was talking with the teacher, but she can understand what she was doing and what the teacher was saying. She is very brilliant girl, isn't it? As I told, isn't it? She was very brilliant girl. She was understanding everything what her teacher says. She did not know that she was spelling a word or even that word. Okay, children. So that much she was learning. So Helen liked her teacher. Okay, she was very kind and lovable, no? So Helen liked Miss Sullivan. So she was strict, but she is very kind. In the days following, every day she will come to home and she was teaching her all the symbols, signs, words, everything. And the days followed, Helen learned to spell. Okay, so Helen learned to talk. So in this way, a great many words, among them the pin, hat, cup. So like that she was learning. Okay, everything she was learning, how to sit, how to stand out, how to walk, everything she was learning. Her teacher had been with the several. She understood that everything had a name. Before that, she do not know anything, isn't it? She was very arrogant and wild, isn't it, children? So after teaching, after her teacher, after the teacher is teaching, and she came to know everything had a name. So one day her teacher made Helen to put her hand into a running water. Okay, there was a running water there. She made her to put her hand into running water. Then she spelled water. She was saying the word water. So suddenly Helen understood that water means something wet. Okay, the something, it is wet running over her hand. She can understand easily. She understood that words were the most important things in the world. So day by day there is an improvement. Okay, children, there was an improvement in the child. So words would tell her everything she wanted to know. So whatever she liked to say, there is a word. She continuously she is learning, isn't it? So she started to talk something. If she wanted to say something, she started to talk with the words, using the words. So she would tell her everything she wanted to know. Helen learned 30 words that day. Okay, children, one day itself, she was learning 30 days. It's sorry, 30 words. Words like mother, father, sister, teacher. Okay, so like that she was learning all the words that were to make the world blossom. Okay, that means what she was enjoying. Then day by day she was growing, and also she was learning something good that she can understand easily. She was a brilliant girl, isn't it? So it would have been difficult to find a happier child than Helen. And she lie on in her bed on at the close of that eventful day. So it was very difficult to change over her, isn't it, children? At first, how she is, do you know, as you know, no, how she is, children? She was very arrogant and wild. Now she is very happiest child in the world. So after seeing her, their child, Helen Keller's parents were very happy to see that child. It was very very good, no, a good feeling, isn't it? So she was happy, and she was learning something. She can speak it. She is not wild and arrogant. She is very kind and lovable, isn't it? So they were very much happy. By the end of August, in 6 short months, Helen knew 625 words. Is that clear for you, children? Yes, she learned 625 words within 6 short months with the teacher, with the help of the teacher, Miss Sullivan. Okay, by the time she was at the age of 16, she was at the age of 16. So Helen could speak well. Before that she could not speak, isn't it, children? Yes, Helen could speak well enough to go to college. She is most eligible child to go to college also. Helen Keller, the little girl, become one of the history's most famous woman. Why she became very famous, children? Even though he could not see, even though he could not hear, she is the best child. She can speak well enough, and also she knows so many languages. Okay, children, she traveled around the world. She traveled around the world without hearing, without seeing anything. She can travel around the world. She traveled also. So speaking in more than 25 countries in the five major continents. She is the guest speaker. She is the inspiring student. She is the inspiring woman. And wherever she went, she brought new courage to millions of people. Isn't it, children? It is very inspiring story, isn't it? Yes, no, children? So without hearing, without seeing anything, she can lead a successful life. She proved that, isn't it? Wherever she go, she is the guest speaker there, and she brought new courage. whenever we see the Helen Keller speaking, whenever other persons who are all there, while hearing Helen Keller's speech, they become very courage. They can get the strength to prove themselves what they are, isn't it? Even though she cannot hear, even though she cannot see, she was proving herself that I'm good, that I'm the strongest that person, that I'm the strongest woman, like that, isn't it, children? So that was the most important day in her life, isn't it? She could not even imagine like this, isn't it? She cannot, she can speak, or she can travel all through the world, isn't it? Even she can think like that, children? No, isn't it? She was very arrogant, she was very wild, and she did not love anything. She did not allow anybody to come near to her, isn't it? There were so many struggles, isn't it? So but now it was the most important day that she succeeded in her life. She was the best woman. Okay, children. Now, what is the moral values that we can learn from this lesson? Okay, children, let us see. So, even though Helen Keller cannot see or hear, she tried to learn something, isn't it, children? At first, before learning something from her teacher, before that she was arrogant. After learning something, she proved that I can do everything. So, take Helen Keller as our inspiration. So we can see everything, we can hear everything, but we are not doing such things, isn't it, children? So we should believe in us that we can do anything. So have your aim, okay, children, what you like to do. Keep goal for that. So you can what you can reach that goal easily if you work hard. So it is not easy to get such things, isn't it, children? Helen Keller has tried a lot, isn't it, children? So it is not very easy to reach the destination for Helen Keller. So she was traveling all over the world, and she was speaking so many languages, and she was the guest speaker. It is not happened suddenly. She would have tried better, she would have worked hard. So everything happens only because of her hard work, isn't it? We all we learned that such things from this lesson is we should work hard for to reach our destination. Is that clear for you, children? You are from grade 4, so now onwards you should have your aim, you should have your you should achieve your goal. For that you have to work hard. So for that your education is very important for that. So read, study well. So keep your always keep your mind alert, so that you can reach your goal. Okay, children. So keep Helen Keller as our inspiration, as a lesson. Okay, children. So keep going. Thank you. We will meet in the next video session. Thank you so much.